Hi, welcome to our open house here at Concord International School. We're so excited to have everyone here today joining us, finding out about our exciting programs and how we can help families meet their bespoke educational needs. We know that there are a lot of options for families now, and there are a lot of schools. And we really appreciate this opportunity so we can share what we're so proud of, showcase what we've been building, and get to know you better. So if you didn't make it out for this one, we'll be having another one, and we hope to see you real soon.